Hi, welcome. My name is Erigaji, and today I'll be showing you what I've developed, which is a data-powered website to help Ghana Football Association and the Ministry of Youth and Sports to solve the problem of tracking various stadiums and activities happening in them in Ghana due to the lack of proper record keeping, which is mostly analog data. Now, I'll head on to show um, my web application. So yeah, thank you, welcome. So using my web hosted program, I'm hosting this on Azure, and this is my IP address and the name of the website, New Web Final Exams. So it will send you straight to the sign up page if you have a sign up. But if you are already signed up, you can go ahead and log in. But then because you want to get more sign up people, that's why. So you can register with your name and a key. We'll go through the validations for each one of these things in the coming later in the presentation. Okay, then you have the gender. It's a female. You can have the kia at gmail.com. And you have the location. This is Manchester University. The phone. So 0555 1234 1234. It will allow you to take more than 8 password. Now let's see some validation right here for the password. Exactly, it requires you to input at least an uppercase, lowercase, and a special character. And all the length of your distance, your password should be at least 8 characters long. Okay, submit. Oh, okay, so you need to be 18 years and above. 2007, you're not qualified for this platform. So let's choose a higher number, a higher age like 2000, and you should be having, let's say, March 1st. Okay, gender is female, and then you need to enter the password again. Okay, once you sign up, it will bring you to the login page. So you log in with theur at gmail.com. And we have Eric Gaji. Yes, if you enter the wrong password, it wouldn't allow you to tell the password incorrect. These are some few validations that users are supposed to take note of. You cannot bypass the system. Okay, now that the user has finally entered and gone into the distance, let's show some few functionalities that they can do. Okay, so the different images, this we'll be editing them. You can go to your profile and edit that. But then the important thing is that you have the event here. You have the programs that are being organized by Joshua Usu, Vodafone Ghana. So this one is upcoming, Shatawale's music concert. So let's check it out. You want to buy the ticket. This one tells you more about the program, and this one is telling you the status. The date for it is going to happen. This is an old database, so it took some time, but let's buy. Oh, you have not released the tickets yet, so anticipate. But this is showing us a list of possible tickets that we can buy from the database. This is Shatawale's concert again. Let's check. All right, thank you. You can buy. This is a different one that's not organized by Vodafone Ghana, actually. So this is another one that's coming on at another place. So you can go ahead and do for more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since but we have validations for the card number, the minimum number that you can have also. So payment for Shatawali is you pay 200 Ghana cedis, and you realize that the number of this now is reduced from the actual number to 521. We can also check, let's say, winners conference. Look, watch the number 449, and you buy, it's reduced by 50, and then it says it has reduced it, winners conference, 498. So you can have the stadium. The stadium, you can look at the various events happening at each stadium, the same way upcoming and past. You can look at the stadiums here too. You can also sort them, or you can also arrange them by name, the arrangement by date built. And this is the oldest, the youngest, sorry. This always produced the youngest, which is Cape Coast Stadium, before second D, and then then you can see that the one that is very old is Accra Sports Stadium. They have tickets that shows you all the tickets that you have so far. We can register an event. There are all these validations are there. We'll talk about them in a short while. But this one, you can register an event to call it Awesome Day. It's happening at, let's say, Cape Coast Sports Stadium. The date, there is validation so that you don't select a date more than, you can't select a date in the past like that. No, it wouldn't work. I'll show you the validation in the code later on. Then you have the ticket price of, let's say, 50 cedis is a regular ticket, and then you have 800. There is also validation not to allow you to submit more than the number of seats that are capable of being provided by the Cape Coast Stadium. So you have submitted, registration complete. Okay. Then we go straight to events. Let's see if our event, it was Awesome Day. And where is our Awesome Day? It's right here, which was made by Nani Kia. Okay. So going ahead, we'll go and show you the validation for some of our pages. So we have here the register events. So let's go straight to the sign up. Some front-end validations that we use. The pattern was used to ensure maximum of 40 characters for both first name and last name, because that's the maximum the database can hold. The password, the email also required that you have at least one special, you have the @ sign inside. You can have any number of letters before it, and you should have at least the dots and at least 2 letters after it for the domain. Okay. Then, so this pattern ensures that you cannot enter any email for email's sake. Then you have one lowercase and one uppercase for the password, which is to ensure that you should have at least one number and one uppercase and one lowercase letter, and at least 8 or more characters in your password. I have the submit button. Let's go ahead and validate the login. Mostly the login, we use the back end for validating it. We opened session to get ready to make use of the user's data, and also check properly the user was properly able to log in at other pages so that you wouldn't be able to access certain data or resources. So we have here the validate from database to check if the person already exists in the database. So you check, is the person already in the database? Yes. If he is, then get us the password for this email that they have produced in the front end. Once it does, we check to validate if the password are the same, then we have successfully logged in. These are some of the backend validations. The register events do have some few interesting validations that we talked about earlier on, that you can register an event that's passed and you can't do all that. But one of the most important things is that when you register at this platform, we make sure that you become an organizer, because you can also organize a program, register a program. And this is used to check if whoever is trying to register is actually an organizer. So if you are not on this page, there is no way you can register for events in Ghana again. That's the direction the nation will be moving to. Thank you, and thank you for staying during my presentation.